Hola, muy buenas tardes. Pues como en el video pasado me faltaron terminar 2 o 3 pasos de ese método tan sencillo de resolver las expresiones, no importa que estén grandísimas como esta que estamos viendo, esta número 4, pues voy a terminar los últimos pasitos y lo que quiero hacer es, pues vamos a ver todo esto, les sirve como repaso, pero en inglés. Vamos a ver una. Cuando no las terminemos, vamos a ver una en español y una en inglés para que pues, tengan las dos. Si ya las saben en español, practiquen un poquito en inglés. Entonces, rápido, pues vamos, perdón, aquí al problema. Y otra vez, pero déjenme cambiar a inglés. Let's switch into English for you to understand all the steps that we are checking. Okay, remember, if you have all of this expression, this tremendously great expression, 3x squared minus x times parentheses x minus 3 times, because it's a multiplication, 2, it doesn't matter if it's a parenthesis or a bracket or braces, 3 times 2, what is minus 3 times 2y, etc. Okay, what are we going to do? What is the deepest part of the problem? This is the deepest part of the problem. Let me put here, okay, I'm sorry. Let me put here, sorry, because I need to do it again. I need to choose my pencil. Okay, this is the first thing that we need to solve, this one, okay? But let me put this here on the top part of the problem because the bottom is going to be needed. Okay, and what is the first thing? I told you we need to multiply this times this 1, 2, and 3 times. Okay? And then that's the reason we have negative times positive is negative, 3 times 2, 6. And then we put the x. Okay? Negative times positive, negative, 3 times 2, 6, and then the x. Negative times positive, negative, 3 times 1. If we don't have a number, we put the number 1. Negative times positive, negative, 3 times 1, 1, and the y. And negative times negative is positive, 3 times 3, 9. Okay? Perfect. And then we copy the rest of the problem. Do you see? We copy the rest. Now, this is the next part that we need to solve. And here, this is separated because this is another expression inside the bracket. So we can solve this at any time. And let's do it. Negative times positive, negative, and 1 times is the same. You can put the 1 or not because it's the same situation. Negative times positive, negative, 1 times 1 minus 1x, and negative times negative, positive, 1 times 4, 4y, okay? And then let's continue. What is the next step here? So first we are going to put down the greatest term, the greatest exponent is this, copy, positive 2x inside the braces. Positive 2x squared. And then we cancel this. What is the next step? Oh, we have y and x. Which goes first one in the alphabet? This goes first one because it's an x first. We copy the x. We don't have another x, and we cancel it. But the next step is to join these two like terms. Oh, y and y. My goodness. 3 and 3. Then add it with the little frog, our little frog. Positive 2 minus 3 is minus 1. You can put the minus 1 here if you want. And then, that's the reason we cancel this and this. And then the next step is copy. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, the last one. And then what is the next step? Everything is good in order, so let's eliminate, multiplying this times this, and this time this, again this time this. You see, it's perfect because you will never fail here. Negative times positive is negative, 3 times 2, 6, and then x, we copy x squared. Negative times negative positive, 3 times 6, 18, and only 1x. And then negative times negative is positive. Here is our mistake, the mistake since the first problem. Okay, negative times negative is positive, 3 times 1, 3. And then the y. And negative times positive, negative, 3 times 9, 27. Good, perfect. What is the next step? Okay, how many x squared we have? Oh, we have 2. This is the first step. So inside the bracket, minus 6, minus 1, minus 7. Do you see it? Perfect. And then the next step, which variable goes first, the x or the y? The x. So this will be our second term. Terms. Minus 18, no, plus 18 plus 1, 1x, plus 19, perfect. So cancel. And then the y's. But after checking the error that we had, positive 3 plus 4 will be positive what? Positive 7. Good, positive 7 more. And then we cancel this and this, and only copy the minus 7. And here, be careful because here we have a variable, and the variable is raised to the first. If we don't have the exponent, I'm sorry, and the coefficient is 1 negative. Negative times negative is positive. 1 times 7, 7, positive 7, and then we apply this. This is the law that we need to apply. We have the same variable, we add the exponent. So 1 plus 2 is 3. That's the reason we have this to the third power. And then negative times positive. Negative 1 times 19, 19 x squared, because 1 plus 1, when the teacher says x times x is x squared, now you know because you add the exponent. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then negative times positive is negative, but we have 1 times 7. Here is our 7. Okay. Yes. Negative 7 xy because of the order, and then negative times negative, positive, and x times 27, 27x. And what is the final order? This is the first one because it's the greatest exponent. Do you see it? And then 3 minus 19 is minus 16. We cancel also this, minus 16x squared. And then we have here two variables are more than one in ordering an expression. So if we have two variables, the two variables goes first. And this is the last one. Okay, how do you see this? Did you like it? Yes or no? This is our final. Congratulations. And are you beginning enjoying algebra like nobody else were or before? I don't know, but this is up to you. And if you check this, in Spanish it's exactly the same. Now that we have some seconds here, and that's the reason I want to do this in less than 10 minutes for you to check, like in TikTok, that in less than 1 minute you can check, put some videos, okay, also math, but it's the easiest possible way in the world. Enjoy it. Okay, check my next videos, and this is for you, because remember, if I put a continuation of it's because we didn't finish in the first part, because I need to explain lots of things. So thank you very much, enjoy, and I hope I can make many more videos within the week, because I'm also a high school teacher here in Monterrey. I love math, but we are beginning from 6th, 7th grade up to high school or college. You know, calculus, differential calculus, or integral calculus, or differential equations is the last part of math before entering any career. So enjoy my life here. You will love math definitely with me. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Okay, so